Agent Momo, your new mission is funny numbers. Okay. Ready for this mission? Let's make it funny. This is number 1.
1E.
1 banana. Number O-N-E, banana. Even the banana knows I'm number 1. This is number 2.
2 bananas on the board.
2 bananas, 2 fruits, all smiling. 2 bananas and 1 monkey dancing double time. This is number 3.
3! That's me!
3 bananas, all alive for number TH3. Even bananas are cheeky when it's TH3. This is number 4.
4 means 4 bananas.
Look, 1, 2, 3, 4 bananas. 4 bananas and 1 silly monkey. This is number 5.
5 bananas.
Look, 5 bananas on the board.
5 bananas.
And 1 funky monkey. This is number 6.
6 bananas.
Look at the board. 6 bananas. 6 bananas and 1 monkey doing tricks. This is number 7.
7 bananas on the board.
7 bananas, 7 fruits, all smiling.
7 bananas.
And 1 monkey going bananas. This is number 8.
8 bananas on the board.
8 bananas, 8 fruits, all smiling. 8 bananas and 1 monkey shaking like crazy. This is number 9.
9 bananas on the board.
9 bananas, 9 fruits, all smiling. 9 bananas and 1 monkey dancing bananas. This is number 10.
10 bananas on the board.
10 bananas, 10 fruits, all smiling. 10 bananas and 1 monkey shaking the room. Want to join my next mission? Put on your agent suit, kiddos. But no bananas in the pockets, okay? They squish.